former ACP Dhanraj joining us on the broadcast as well. Sir, thank you so much for speaking to News 9. Your perspective on this, that an actor has been stabbed, he has been attacked, his family was attacked, a robbery attempt was made.
This is a third consequent incident after Salman, then Baba Siddiqui, then Saif Ali. But there is a difference in all these three. No doubt the celebrities have been attacked like this is a very serious issue, and police commissioner has already stated they have taken the issue very seriously. All kind of investigation, right from intelligence up to execution, have been taken at place. But still, one important point comes to my mind looking into all these things. Prima facie, there is a problem with private security of residential complex of Saif Ali, number one, then private security of his own person and family, where the attackers, how can they find a way to enter in his house, and there he was attacked, and six stab wounds speaks for itself that Saif has a very little chance to defend himself. So how could they find this kind of situation, this kind of time, that particular day, this particular phase of era, and how it can happen? So basically, it's a fault of building and his residential personal security cover. Police are determined to investigate this case. Prima facie, with this point, what I stated is the personal security, how the perpetrator could get so easy entry in his house, right, and they can stab him so much multiple times. Second incident, whether there is a professional rivalry or whether there is an attempt for making some sort of extortions from him, because such people like Salman Khan, Saif Ali, all these people who are moneyed people, famous people, are scared of their reputation, scared of their caliber, and scared of their career. They can be hooked for extortion by the gangsters. So, if there is any element of gangsters being involved, like in Salman's case, there was an open threat from Bishnoi gang. I think police force will work on it, whether there is somebody behind this attack, whether there is a reason, what was the motive particularly, it was personal, it was some disgruntlement from the servant class, all the laborers from his house, I was told, have been taken into custody for interrogation. So definitely some concrete reason will come out, but prima facie, looking into a series of incidents after Salman, Baba Siddiqui, then Saif Ali, it's really a matter of worry, and it seems we as an administration in law and order should take it very seriously. I'm very hopeful that President, Chief Minister, and Home Minister will take it very seriously and will find out what is the cause. Plus, one more thing we need to do, we need to have an intelligence survey of all these security aspects of such celebrities and important people. And accordingly, their security threats perception should be worked out. And in that parlor, they will be given proper security. That's what I hope.